It's a windy day here in Las Vegas. There's the trees. And we're doing a quick tour, seeing how everything's going. So we are cleaning up the backyard. We want to make it look nice. Let's see. These are set pretty good. My Tephro cactus articulus are looking very happy. Lots of new growth. Honestly, since I put the top dressing on, top dressing I think is very underestimated. It really helps regulate the amount of moisture that's there. And yeah, look at all that new growth. They look really happy. This mammillaria elongata down here, oh sorry, it's looking good. This trio here is looking good. I was a little worried. I mean, I'm probably gonna get some deaths. The pharaoh cactus should be okay. The mammillaria should be okay. This I'm blanking. Gymnoclesium miha something or other. I can already tell it's getting a little bit stressed. I was thinking of ways to put some shade. We'll see. These guys are doing okay. These were my neighbors, and he said he neglected them, so I'm just gonna let them ride. Oh, my mammillaria matuidae. I want to say it's blooming. That looks great. I've got my woolly jacket opuntia over here. So I gave it a good watering, and I gave it new soil. The soil level was very low. It looks very happy. I believe this is Mammillaria crumaria. I got this in Tucson at Box Nursery. It looks like it's okay. So when I planted this, I knew it was gonna, the rocks were a little high. I knew over time it's gonna sink. And so I'll have to keep an eye on that. Then, I had my old man cactus over there in this small Golden Knights pot that I want to reuse. I've got this burnt mammillaria over here that is, even though it's burnt and it looks like the sandworm from Dune, it's still living. It is still living. I haven't seen blooms on it in a while, but I'm just going to kind of let it ride. I believe these are fire torches. So these are another plant that my neighbor gave me. They experienced a little bit of exfoliation, so it could have been from either, I don't believe it was shade, like it was reaching for the sun. I believe it had to do with like fertilization timing. So there's lots of different reasons why cactus start to have this exfoliated look. So one could be they're not getting enough sun, they're reaching for the sun, or they got fertilized at the wrong time. So these are all things that I'm still learning. Agave utahensis, it bloomed out a few years ago. My mom cut it, and it looks like it's still growing. So, ow. Right now I'm just letting it go right here. Let's see. So yeah, so there's that. This huge mess that I'm gonna have to go through. And then also I'm starting to prep a lot of plants for moving them down here. So this alleyway is the bane of my existence because here's my greenhouse, and when I look down here I just see ugliness. So hopefully by the end of summer that won't be the case. So I have down here a jade that's recovering, this aloe that needs to get repotted. I think it's just in too small of a pot, could be better. Yeah. Crown of thorns, half of it's dead. I need to go through that. I have this recovering Mexican fence post, and I have a ton of pups from my artichoke agave in front. Like, oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pups just from that guy. So let it go. I got this euphorbia over here. Focus. And a bunch of mammillaria here that are not in soil. They're bare root right now. That fell off my opuntia. Then I got this guy, this steno cactus. I don't know. I'm not sure. I got it in Tucson. I thought it was really cool. They said it could take a lot of sun, but I never really trust. They'll be like, yeah, it's fine. It'll take a lot of sun. No, I don't think they understand how intense the sun gets here in Vegas. Especially because look at these plants. They're against the wall. So that wall in the summer radiates a lot of heat. So I'm going to figure something out. We have a shade cloth that we like to hook from here, usually to the trampoline and over. That gives them a little bit of shade. But I just have to be sure just to keep an eye on it. And then I have this cholla here next to all this crap that I am not sure what to do with. I actually kind of regret picking it up. I got it for free. It's a dangerous plant. I have kids. So right now it's, you know, I moved it into this alleyway of doom. And I need to figure out what to do with it. It's just, I need to put it somewhere where I won't be able, because yeah, if you know, you know. So, all right, let's peek over here. Oh no, I missed it. I missed my disco cactus Horsea bloom. And it doesn't look like I got any seeds from that. All right. Wow, this gymno still, this is just, all right, giving it. Okay, so I think these blooms are done. I think these might have seeds, the way they are very fatty. So I believe these are seeds. This is seed, 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 no seed. This is an example. That's no seed. So here, let me get in the sun. Yeah, no seed, spent bloom, seed full bloom. Let's see what else is going on. I've got a lot of plants with spent blooms right now. Oh, I might have some blooms over here from this Astrophytum Kiko. Let's see. I'm hoping to move a lot of these pharaoh cactus. Actually, let me choose one. That Golden Knights, the Golden Knights pot I have over there, I want to fill it up. I was thinking to put just these golden barrel. I know this is like a golden, I don't know, it's like a type of golden barrel. It's like kind of yellowy. That could be nice. So maybe this one. But I have, so these three are like this. You know what, maybe I'll do 1, 2, 3 and put them over there. I think that's what I'll do. I've got this Delosperma echinatum that my husband got me. It was very nice of him, but damn, I am struggling. I don't even know. It was inside. I thought it wasn't getting enough light, so I brought it outside. I put more of an organic soil, not so gritty, because I made that mistake with my monsteras. And so, but it doesn't look great. I don't know what to do. I feel really bad. But everything else looks like any more burn victims. Okay, this, I'm not sure what this was. Oh, sorry. Ow, ow. This was not doing well the last time I checked. Yeah, look at that. That's not a good spot for it. Oh, let me see how these seedlings are doing. They look okay. So, but I'm a little nervous. So this spot, I had some mammillarias in it. That's the best spot for them. Look at my gymno. Look how long that is. Waiting for it to bloom. This is my parent plant for a lot of my Mesopotamicum. So I really want to fix that. I hope this mammillaria, ow, is getting, so this is a small mammillaria cremerie. Oh, hold on. Okay. I hope this mammillaria cremerie is getting some shade. I put its name tag over here on the southward facing side of the window. Same over here with this guy. Blooms. My peanut cactus. I love this one. Penny, she really likes the peanut cactus and the rat tail cactus. She likes the hanging cactus, so there she is. Looking good. Getting more growth on my Tephrocarpus alexandrii, maybe. But yeah. All right. Oh, my Lobivia arachnicantha is also going to give me a bloom. This last bloom, you can see the spent bloom, no seed production. I don't have another Lobivia to pollinate it with. So with that one, I am solely relying on the bugs. This is not by any means a closed-in greenhouse. It's open, this is just a wall. This is just a tarp with a snowboarding lift on it. So it's definitely not airtight or anything. So it allows for plants to get in. Yeah. So I believe all of these are seed pods. I don't think I got any seed pods with this. Whoa. Yeah, I don't think I got any seed pods with that one. Do you guys see that? My Tephro-Cactus geometricus. It's got its 4th head. It's about to hit the ceiling. I need to move it. And this guy is just looking ugly. What in the world? Zoom out. This guy, another bloom, very pretty. I think this, okay, so I've been doing a lot of research. I think this is a Protea. I don't know if any of these are going to yield seeds. I don't think so. Time to go pick up the kids. I'm coming. I'm coming. All right, I got to go get the kids. The high here in the last 24 hours is 93 degrees. So not bad. A bloom. I think seeds. And yeah. All right. Oh, and my Pachypodium is getting more growth. And I don't water this at all. 0 water. No water Pachypodiums. Pachypodiums, no water.